In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the country on your Roblox account. This method works on any device: PC, iPhone, Android, Chromebook, whatever you're using. And if this video ends up helping you, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel since it really supports me. So to get started, head over to roblox.com, sign into your account, and then click the gear icon in the top right corner to open. From there, choose Help and Safety. Once you're inside that, select Help Center when you arrive. At the Help Center, scroll down and pick Roblox account. What I suggest doing next is going to the search bar and typing location. You should see an option called Account Location. Go ahead and select it. You can read through the details listed there, but Roblox doesn't give us a setting to directly change the country ourselves. The only way to update it is by sending Roblox a support request. So scroll to the bottom and click Need More Help. Contact support here. Once the support form loads, fill in your account details, your username, email, and any other required info. After that, scroll to device type and choose the device you're currently using. Then go down to type of help category, open it and scroll a bit until you see how to select that. In the subcategory menu, choose Change My Location. Now write a short message saying something like, I have changed my location to the location you want your account changed to, but my account still shows your old location. Just replace new location and old location with your actual country. Check the description. I'll leave this sentence there for you as well. After that, submit the ticket. Roblox will usually reply within a couple of days and update your account's country to the new one. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up.